Hello there! So, I've made a set of models for Jing Yuan from Honkai Star Rail, and I will quickly show you how things come together. Some parts require a lot of tricky supports, like this one, but I was able to print it without issues. Also this part. Paint-on supports in Prusa Slicer make it real easy to print things like that. And here I just like how clean it turned out. The left shoulder consists of two parts. As you can see, there are 3 pins that should align. The smaller part is also tricky to print and require a lot of custom supports, but as you can see, it's still possible. The design is quite intricate. The scroll base was printed with 0 top and bottom layers and no infill, and I got this tube shape. This scroll design is also included in the files. You can attach it with double-sided sticky tape, for example. Then this cover. The top part here is different from the bottom. It has a slot, as you can see. Slot for this part. The bottom are the same, parts are the same, so you can just print them again, except the top part. Now for the head. It's printed in upside down orientation for all the teeth, except this one. The second one is already inserted and just showing you how it's done. That's it. The rest of the parts are attached using those pins. The pins are all the same in dimensions, so it doesn't matter which one you use. You align them and just insert like that. I suggest that you assemble it after the painting in the same order that I assemble it right here. Okay. Now for the ring. It uses the same pins. Can get it out to show you, but they are not very tight, so you could put the middle part easily. This one. Okay, great. And to attach it to the shoulder base, you use M4x20 flathead screws. But if you don't like the position and want to move it up or down, you can just glue it wherever you like. Oh, and one more word about this scroll design image. It's printed on A4 format paper. You should measure the image and make sure that it's the same as the measurements that are written on the page.